Modern living room design ideas, interior design, tips, and trends. Does your living room feel heavy, chaotic, or just off? In Feng Shui, your living room is the heart of your home, where family energy gathers and wealth qi circulates. Today, I'll share 7 Feng Shui design secrets that will instantly shift your space into one that attracts peace, prosperity, and joy. And secret number 5 is the one most people miss. It's costing them harmony. Secret number 1. A clear, minimalist layout equals smooth energy flow. In Feng Shui, clutter blocks qi. An open, uncluttered living room lets energy circulate freely, so conversations feel lighter and opportunities flow in. Secret number 2. Neutral base colors plus elemental accents. Colors are energy. Use neutrals like beige, white, or gray as your base, and then bring in Feng Shui elements with accents. Red cushions for fire, passion, green plants for wood, growth, or metallic gold for metal, clarity. Secret number 3. Functional furniture equals balance of yin and yang. In Feng Shui, furniture should balance comfort, yin, with function, yang. Go for sofas that feel cozy but don't overwhelm the space. Multi-purpose furniture like ottomans with storage keeps chai flowing instead of getting stuck. Secret number 4. Natural light equals vital qi. Light is pure energy. A dark living room creates stagnant chai. Open those curtains daily, clean your fixtures, and add layered lighting to keep the room glowing with vibrant life force. Secret number 5. Texture and materials. Anchor the 5 elements. Here's where Feng Shui goes deeper. Texture balances the 5 elements. The blue sofa for water, a wooden coffee table for wood, a red candle for fire, a soft rug for earth, metallic lamps for metal. When all 5 elements are represented, your living room feels stable and abundant. Secret number 6. Metallic and wooden accents. Balance wealth flow. Metal brings clarity. Wood brings growth. Together, they balance money energy. That's why a wooden bookshelf with gold or silver accents attracts stable financial growth. Secret number 7. Plants equals fresh qi plus wealth boost. A lush green plant isn't just decor, it's living qi. Place a money plant or jade in your southeast wealth corner of the living room, and you'll notice both freshness and fortune. One client of mine simply moved her living room plants into the southeast corner and cleared sharp-edged decor. Within a month, she told me her family was calmer, and she unexpectedly landed a big client. That's Feng Shui in action. If you found this useful, check out my video on Feng Shui colors that attract wealth and success, because the colors in your living room walls and decor could be your hidden power. Link is right here on screen. Your living room isn't just where you sit, it's where qi gathers. By applying these Feng Shui secrets, you're turning your space into a magnet for wealth, harmony, and happiness. Comment below. Which Feng Shui shift are you trying first? Colors, plants, or lighting? Subscribe for daily Feng Shui tips that align your home with health, wealth, love, and success. And remember, when your living room flows, your life glows.